Today's Salty Vet adventure takes us up to Grand Mesa, Colorado, 10,500 feet. I didn't film us coming in yesterday because we came in an epic hailstorm and rain. It was crazy. The Grand Mesa in Colorado. Labor Day weekend, we got here Friday morning about noon, beat a lot of the crowds. All last night people were coming in, trying to get spots. We woke up this morning and barely a cloud in the sky. Just look at this place, it's amazing. Amazing, it's amazing. The altitude's a little crazy though. 10,500 feet. That'll wear you out in a heartbeat right there. Let's go see what everybody's up to. I think Chris got a campfire going. What's up, guys?
What's up, man? Sitting around doing
Primitive activities.
Yeah.
Did the caveman invent fire?
Caveman doing caveman things right there. You got bloody lip? She got a bloody lip. She's exploring. Got hurt. She'll be all right. Yeah. Grand Mesa. Largest flat top mountain in the world. Also, it's an extinct volcano. We're up here camping for Labor Day weekend. It's gorgeous. First day was pretty scary, hail, some craziness, but every day since then has been absolutely beautiful. Not a cloud in the sky. Can't even see another campsite from where we're camped. We're going to head up to a reservoir called the Weir and Johnson Reservoir. And there's also a little campground there called the Weir and Johnson Campground. So let's go take a little trip and see what we can find. That's another video in the books. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.